Tesla just encountered a jaw-dropping setback that left Elon Musk in total shock, and no one saw it coming. In early December 2024, the expansive Tesla Gigafactory in Austin, Texas, a colossal facility covering over 4 million square feet and celebrated for its cutting-edge automation, fell into an eerie, unprecedented calm. Workers on the Cybertruck production line, accustomed to the constant hum of robotic arms and high-speed assembly, received startling instructions. Take a paid 3-day leave from December 3rd to December 5th. No official reason accompanied this perplexing directive, instantly igniting a firestorm of speculation and plunging Tesla into chaos. The Cybertruck, Tesla's audacious electric pickup unveiled with much fanfare in 2019, has been a lightning rod since its debut. Its angular stainless steel exoskeleton, touted as bulletproof by Musk, polarized opinions, with some hailing it as a revolutionary masterpiece and others deriding it as an impractical oddity. Yet the enthusiasm was undeniable, with reservation numbers soaring past 1 million, fueled by promises of rugged durability and a starting price of $39,900. However, as 2024 unfolded, cracks in this bold vision began to emerge, and the production shutdown sent shockwaves through investors, employees, and Tesla's legion of diehard fans. Was this the beginning of the end for the company's most controversial vehicle? The truth behind this disaster is more shocking than you might imagine, and what unfolds next could reshape Tesla's future entirely. Is that emergency services on the scene? That is arguably a waste of taxpayer money. This one isn't even off-road. It's largely on-road and still got stuck. The initial production halt was merely the tip of the iceberg. Industry observers quickly linked the pause to potential demand issues. Despite over 1 million reservations, a figure Tesla flaunted as evidence of the Cybertruck's allure, actual sales presented a starkly different reality. By the end of the third quarter of 2024, Tesla had produced 30,582 Cybertrucks from the Gigafactory's advanced production lines, yet only 21,450 had been delivered to customers. This left a surplus of 9,132 unsold units gathering dust, suggesting either waning interest or reluctance among reservation holders to finalize their purchases. Analysts pointed to a significant price hike as a likely culprit. The base model, once promised at $39,900, now started at over $60,990, while dual-motor and tri-motor Cyberbees variants climbed to $80,000 and $100,000 respectively. This steep increase, over 50% more than advertised, may have alienated buyers who expected an affordable electric truck, especially as inflation and economic uncertainty loomed large in 2024. Contrastingly, other reports suggested that the halt wasn't due to demand at all, but rather to infrastructural upgrades within the Gigafactory. Tesla Oracle, a well-regarded insider source, noted that the timing aligned with the Boring Company's construction of an underground tunnel beneath the facility. This ambitious project aimed to streamline logistics by funneling completed Cybertrucks directly from production floor to the outbound lot, thereby reducing congestion and boosting efficiency. Such an undertaking required temporarily halting assembly lines to ensure worker safety and allow heavy machinery to operate unimpeded, a plausible explanation for the sudden break. Further complicating matters, evidence emerged that Tesla had been scaling back Cybertruck production even before December. Documents leaked to Business Insider revealed that employees were reassigned to Model Y production as early as October 2024, a move prompted by a growing inventory of unsold Cybertrucks. Around the same time, Tesla quietly reduced the lowest lease price from $999 to $899 per month and offered incentives like free supercharging for life on limited edition models, subtle signals of companies scrambling to stimulate demand. This confluence of factors painted a multifaceted picture. On one hand, infrastructural enhancements such as a tunnel project demonstrated Tesla's long-term commitment to optimizing Cybertruck production, leveraging its signature blend of innovation and audacity. On the other hand, production cuts, pricing adjustments, and a growing stockpile of unsold trucks suggested a troubling misalignment between output and market appetite. For Tesla's dedicated workforce, the unexpected hiatus was a double-edged sword. Some relished the rare opportunity to recharge after months of grueling shifts. In contrast, others, accustomed to the company's fast-paced rhythm, grew uneasy, whispering about layoffs or production concerns in the absence of clear communication from Musk or Tesla's famously tight-lipped leadership. Meanwhile, customers and enthusiasts flooded online forums and social media platforms like X, expressing frustrations over potential delays in receiving their pre-ordered Cybertrucks, some waiting since 2019, and debating whether Tesla's strategies indicated confidence or desperation. The electric pickup market was heating up, with Rivian's sleek R1T and Ford's electric F-150 Lightning gaining traction, adding pressure to Tesla's once unassailable lead. Industry analysts offered varied perspectives. Some viewed the halt as a routine operational adjustment, standard in automotive manufacturing, especially when integrating new infrastructure or technology like the tunnel. Others regarded it as a warning sign, possibly related to supply chain bottlenecks still lingering from global disruptions, or quality control challenges with the Cybertruck's unconventional design. Tesla stock, a barometer of investor sentiment, experienced minor dips and recoveries during this period, reflecting a divide between optimists betting on Musk's vision and skeptics awaiting concrete answers. As the Gigafactory returned to life post-hiatus, the episode highlighted the intricate challenges Tesla faced with the Cybertruck, balancing ambitious production targets, infrastructural evolution, market demand, and customer expectations in a high-stakes dance. Unlike traditional automakers with decades of standardized processes, Tesla's agile, disruptive ethos, epitomized by Musk's mantra of constant innovation, suggested the pause might be a calculated pivot rather than a misstep. The Gigafactory's integration of robotics, AI-driven automation, and high-speed assembly had already redefined vehicle manufacturing, but the Cybertruck's stainless steel exoskeleton and custom methods presented unforeseen complexities. The break may have given engineers a crucial window to refine workflows, adjust machinery, or tackle emerging technical issues before scaling up further. In a broader context, the electric vehicle market was undergoing a seismic shift in 2024. Legacy automakers like Ford and GM, alongside newcomers like Rivian, were aggressively targeting the electric pickup segment, once Tesla's unchallenged domain. The Cybertruck, initially heralded as an industry disruptor, now face fierce competition, making Tesla's ability to adapt and deliver on its bold promises more critical than ever. The company's track record offered hope. It had weathered the Model 3 production hell in 2018 and supply chain chaos during the pandemic, emerging more potent each time. This resilience suggested that the December halt could be a stepping stone, not a stumbling block, in the Cybertruck's evolution. But the shocks kept coming. In March 2025, Tesla faced a new crisis, a recall of over 46,000 Cybertrucks due to a defect in the adhesive securing the stainless steel trim panels. Owners started reporting alarming incidents, panels loosening under normal driving conditions, with some detaching entirely on highways. Early cases were dismissed as flukes, handled quietly at service centers, but as complaints increased, a pattern emerged. Tesla's investigation revealed that the high-strength adhesive intended to bond the panels to the exoskeleton for years was failing. Cold weather weakened its grip, while heat softened it, allowing vibrations and wind resistance to dislodge panels. Social media erupted with videos of Cybertruck shedding trim mid-drive, drawing snarky comparisons to the Model 3's floating bumpers fiasco years earlier. For a truck Musk had claimed could withstand bullets, this was a humiliating blow. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration launched an inquiry, compelling Tesla to act. On March 15th, the company announced a voluntary recall of all Cybertrucks manufactured between late 2024 and early 2025. Engineers abandoned the adhesive method, opting instead for mechanical fasteners, bolts and rivets, coupled with a reformulated bonding agent designed to withstand temperature fluctuations and stress. Owners received over-the-air notifications to schedule free repairs, a 3 to 4 hour process involving panel removal, reattachment, and thorough testing. Musk took to X, acknowledging that the adhesive wasn't the best decision and pledging to prioritize safety and durability, framing the fix as a strength-enhancing upgrade. Tesla's swift response mitigated immediate fallout, but the recall sparked deeper scrutiny. Critics questioned why a vehicle marketed as rugged relied on adhesive for critical components, a choice some called reckless. Others speculated that the rush to meet production deadlines, driven by Musk's relentless timelines, had compromised quality testing. Loyal Cybertruck owners, while frustrated, largely praised Tesla's transparency and speed, with some on forums referring to it as a badge of honor in the company's innovative journey. Production lines of the Gigafactory were retooled to incorporate the new fastening system, causing minor delivery delays but promising a more robust product. The episode highlighted Tesla's ability to pivot faster than traditional automakers, who might take months to address such issues. Yet it also exposed the risk to deploying untested solutions at scale. Was this a hiccup or a harbinger? By March 2025, Cybertruck sales amounted to just 4,696 units over 14 months, disappointing compared to the projected 250,000 annually. The price increased to $61,000 to $100,000, postponed features like full self-driving, and quality issues such as a recall dampened enthusiasm. Competitors took advantage. Rivian's R1T gained praise for its polished design, while Ford Electric F-150 capitalized on its pickup heritage. Meanwhile, Musk's political activities, leading the Trump administration's Department of Government Efficiency, sparked backlash. Protests at Tesla showrooms, vandalism, and a 44% sales decline in Europe hurt the brand. Tesla stock tumbled 38%, erasing over $500 billion in value, and its Axios Harris poll ranking dropped from 8th in 2021 to 63rd in 2024, falling behind rivals in trust and ethics. Musk fought back with characteristic bravado. Internally, he rallied employees in an all-hands meeting, urging them to disregard politically motivated criticism and focus on breakthroughs in AI, robotics, and the Optimus robot. He offered stock options for top performers and reshuffled leadership to enhance efficiency. On X, he dismissed stock troubles as short-seller sabotage, promoting Tesla's future to his 200 million followers. Privately, though, he became impatient, demanding executives move twice as fast or risk losing everything, micromanaging departments to a degree some insiders found disruptive. His dual role in government and Tesla fueled internal strife, with protests linking his Dogecoin cuts to Tesla's struggles and board members quietly contemplating contingency plans. Despite a loyal 70% of Tesla households sticking with the brand, the stakes were astronomical. Musk portrayed setbacks as temporary, but with sales faltering, regulators circling, and his polarizing persona in the spotlight, Tesla's path forward under his leadership hung in precarious balance. Was the Cybertruck saga a stumble, or Musk's greatest reckoning yet? If the Cybertruck production shutdown shocked you, like and share your thought below.